In this video, we will look at how to work with audio in your ToonSquid projects. Adding audio clips to the timeline is very easy. You just open the timeline, tap the plus button and then select Audio. Now you can choose an audio file from the Files app. The file that you select will be copied into the project and inserted into the timeline. The imported audio clip is now part of your project's asset library. You can find it under the Audio tab. The clip remains part of the project even if you delete the audio layer, so you can insert it into the timeline again by selecting the clip in the library instead of importing a new copy of the file into the project. Just like with drawings, you can also edit the audio clip in the timeline. You can drag and drop to move it around. You can split it and delete parts of it. And you can drag the handles to change the clip's length. If we enter keyframing mode, we see that there is a volume property that we can animate using keyframes. We can, for example, add another keyframe here, and then open the properties inspector and drag the volume slider down to 0. Now the audio fades out between these keyframes. We can also mute an audio layer completely using this button on the layer. By default, you will hear the audio as you scrub through your timeline. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to animate something in sync with the audio, but you can also disable this behavior in the settings. Finally, when we export our animation as a video, we can choose whether we want to include any audio in the export or not.